So here are 5 techniques to make the best video content. Number 1, plan your content. So imagine if I came here and just was talking from the tip of my head without actually knowing what I wanted to talk to you about. I'll probably have to talk about my family, talk about my dog, and random things that actually do not make sense. But when you want to create content, you have to write them down. It's always good to have a video script to which you can follow, and then you know what exactly you want to convey to your audience. You could start this by writing a video script, sending it to someone you trust for editing, getting all the materials you need for that video set down before even going forward to the studio to shoot the video. Number 2, keep it simple. Now, you don't have to be all over the place and you don't have to make it too lengthy. Remember, the average human brain's attention span is around 5 to 15 seconds. So you have to make your point in a very short period of time, except you have a tutorial or a long message that you want to pass across. Those are exceptions. But if it's not that, you have to make sure your videos are around 30 to 60 seconds, a minute to 3, 8 minutes to 10, or if it's a very long video, 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Number 3, use high quality visuals and audios. So imagine if this video you're currently watching now was a very blurry one. Would you still be watching? Let me know in the comment section. But apparently nobody wants to watch a blurry video. And what if you could not hear me? Would you still be watching this video? The answer is no. To get your audience's attention glued to their screens, you have to make your videos very high quality. Your sound has to be good. So that is why it's important for you to invest in a good camera phone, a good camera, and good audio equipment. Number 4, add text and graphics. Right now, most people watch videos without the audios. So if you're scrolling on Instagram and you're watching a video, it doesn't come out with the audio immediately. But when you have very strong, bold text, it's more attractive. So ensure you have captions on your videos, and also make it lively and interesting by adding graphics, pictures, and other videos. Number 5, optimize the platform. So every platform has a different frame size for that platform. For example, we have YouTube, which deals with landscape, and for TikTok or Instagram Reels, we have portrait frame size. So you have to choose the right frame size that will suit the right platform. So implying those 5 techniques would help you up your game in video marketing. Video marketing is a very versatile field. So for amateur video editing, which can be done on your mobile device, we have Canva, CapCut, InShot, and a lot of them. But for more professional videos, which you can use your PC or desktop to edit, we have software such as Adobe Premiere Pro and Avid Liquid. Okay guys, so I have something amazing for you. TLI Community is going to be hosting a free video class just for you. So if you like to learn how to shoot videos and edit videos professionally from a very good video editor, TLI Community is hosting a free video editing class for you. So if you want to get more information about this video editing class, kindly check the captions and click on the link below.